Hey everybody, we just got done drawing MerCat from Gabby's Dollhouse.
Looks good.
Okay, we're going to show you how we did it. Let's jump into it. All right, everybody. Today, what are we drawing, Penny?
MerCat.
MerCat from
Gabby's Dollhouse.
Gabby's Dollhouse. Is MerCat your favorite kitty? Okay, here we go. So, to start with MerCat, we're going to start by drawing her head kind of up here in this area so we have room for her body and her fin. Okay? So what I like to do is I like to start and draw like an oval, but we're not going to connect the oval. We'll start here, we'll go all the way around, and instead of closing the oval so that the ends are touching, we're going to leave a little bit of space for her little starfish on her head. Okay? It goes like this. See how I didn't close it? Perfect. And then now we can draw a little star right here. And the stars...
I'm not good at stars.
Oh, it's super easy. So we'll draw a triangle like this.
And then another triangle.
Yeah, so a triangle that goes up like that. And then a triangle that goes like this. And another triangle that goes out like this. And then two more triangles that go like this. Another one that goes like this. So just like a little star that goes in her hair. And if you don't do it perfectly, it still looks amazing. Good job, Penny.
It kind of looks different, but that's...
Oh, I love it. I love it. Okay, and now we're going to do her hair, okay? Her hair is like a little scaly clover almost that is hanging over the top of her head. But there's three little bumps that go like this. From the bottom of the star, you go bump, bump, bump. Nice, I love it. And then now her ears. So you could start kind of on the star that we made because her ear is kind of behind that star. So it goes like this. Triangle and then down to the oval. Yep. And then this one, we do another triangle up and down to the oval. Nice. And then we could do two little triangles on the inside. Like this. Perfect. You're doing so good. Now, guess what we're going to do? We're going to do her eyes. So her eyes look like two little almonds, and they take up almost like the entirety of her head. so it goes like this. Okay, almond. So up here, a bump, and the other one is a bump like this.
I don't really have a space.
That's okay. That's how we learn. Good. And the other one, you do the same thing right here. Okay? Bump. And then bump. Nice. And then we'll draw two big circles on the inside. The two almonds. Okay, and now we'll draw two little shinies on the inside of the big circles. Okay, and now her little nose, which is the shape of a little heart.
I saw it was I can fix that. I can just color it in.
Yep, I love it. Looks
I
good.
color in the nose.
And then we'll draw two little cat smiles. And then another U that connects the bottom of this U and the bottom of that U like this.
I know.
And then we can draw her little tongue on the inside like this.
Okay, I have to do small tongue.
Okay, now let's color in the dark parts. So there's MerCat's head. Now we're going to draw her body, okay? So what I like to do with the body is I like to draw just the arms first. So we'll draw a swoop out like this, and then a swoop out like this. Just like that.
It kind of looks like her neck.
And then you draw her paws that come in like this, and her other paw comes in like this.
Kind of looks like.
Yep. And then now we'll draw her fin. Comes out like this.
Ah.
And what I like to do, I like to start above her armpit, okay, kind of by her shoulder, and then swoop down like that.
And leave a little space.
Yep, and then we'll draw her little fins. Nice. There you go. Okay, now we'll draw the top of her fin. Two little bumps like this. Bump, bump. And that is her body. Okay, now we could draw like little scales, but you want to know a kind of a trick that I like to do with the scales? Since that's so many, like such a big area to draw in all those scales, it takes a long time. You could just draw a couple like this. Watch this. Like there, and then like that. And then down here like this. Bump, 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 bump. See? And if you do it spaced out like that, you don't have to do the whole thing. Kind of looks cartoony. Nice job. That looks amazing. Okay, the finishing touch. Are you ready?
Know.
Is her paw prints.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so her paw prints kind of look like little hearts.
But that's candy pie. Candy pies have hearts.
Oh, really?
They kind of look like candy pies.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm going to do it kind of a little bit.
You can do it however you want.
Because then it'll look more like shells.
Yep. Oh, yeah, because MerCat has the shells, huh? So I'll do that so it's more like a shell. That makes sense. Okay. And now we're going to color it in. All right, everybody, there is our MerCat. We hope you had fun. Do you like how it turned out, Penny?
Uh-huh.
I love it. The colors that you chose were awesome. I love how you put the little shine like I did in the eyes and everything. And I didn't know that they were seashell paws until you told me. So, everybody, we hope you had fun. Give a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.